Man, I can't believe that I got grounded for life. What should I do? I know what should I do. I am going to the store to buy a bat and destroyed the vending machine. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, classic Caillou. What do you want to choose now?
I would like to get a baseball bat, please.
Okay, there you go. Now you have a $10,000. You can go now.
Thank you so much, Mr. James.
No problem, classic Caillou.
Okay, now it's time for me to destroy the vending machine. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now it's time for me to destroy the vending machine. Let's go. Yes. I destroy Caillou's friends' vending machine. Yay! Now I'm going home.
Well, classic Caillou. Did you just destroy the Caillou friends' vending machine? Is that a truth? Tell me the truth right now.
Something that I say, yes, I did.
Well, classic Caillou, I cannot believe that you destroy Caillou friend's vending machine. Now his friends can't choose because of you, but I had to ground you for 12 days. Go to bed now.
Fine, whatever, Dad.